Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to the gyrobee. I'm doing some, I'm reworking the cyclic controls to remove a bunch of slop I had in the controls. Alright, here's the cyclic tubes. And I've got a aluminum bushing going into the steel tube here. And it was getting the slop inside there. And basically what I'm doing is I'm JB welding these on. There's a tube. That goes in here, and you got these blocks, and all these blocks serve as a it just gives it less where's the here's the cyclic stick, and this would fit down over like this. Also, these bearing blocks, if you look here on the end, I've got a lot of wear right in here, right where the seats, and basically I'm just gonna put a little epoxy around that worn groove to take up the slack. I'll show you this is the AN3 going in. And you can see how much, it might not look like a lot of play, but that translates to a lot of slop versus this tube here. Now we still get a little bit more wiggle room. It's still a little more slop than I'd like. But anyway, this is probably going to be a couple multi-part series. I'm not sure how much I want to spend and how far I want to take it. But I may install a new pod, instrument pod. My tiny tack, the battery's dead in it, so it doesn't work. I got the engine seems to be pretty good. It's about 10 years old. Normally these oil seals on the bottom of the crank, they'll start leaking. I don't see any issues with that. The rotor blades, they just need to be cleaned. I'll probably polish them with some purple polish, because the last time I did that, they ran a lot smoother. All right, peace out.